Hello guys, welcome to channel Gadget Pro. If you are serious about smartphone videography, the DJI Osmo 7 might just be your new best friend. With the powered stabilization, next level tracking and pro level shooting modes, this gimbal takes your content to a hot new level. But it is worth your money? Let's find out. So let's go. First up, the ultra smooth stabilization. Say goodbye to the shaky footage the Osmo Mobile 7P features. 5th gen powered stabilization that skips your shoots butter smooth. Even when you are on the move, whether you are vlogging, chasing your kids, or capturing action shoots, this gimbal delivers cinematic quality every time. Upgraded ActiveTrack 6.0 tracking your subject has never been this smart. The new ActiveTrack 6.0 uses AI to keep your subject connected even if they move unpredictably for sports, dance videos, or filming your hyperactive pet. Gesture and voice control. Ever wanted to start recording without pressing a button? With gesture and voice controls, you can trigger shoots hand-free. Great for solo controls or group selfies. Just a view or say the commands and you are rolling. New quick launch and auto leveling, no more fumbling with setup. Just shape your phone in and the gimbal auto adjust within seconds. Whether you are in portrait or landscape mode, the 7P adapts instantly. Creative shooting modes. Want to shoot like a pro? The 7 becomes packed with cool features like snaps, hot for dynamic rotated shoots, daily zoom for cinematic depth effects, and panorama mode for epic wide shoots. Get creative and level up your storytelling. Long battery life and reverse charging, no need to worry about running. Out of juice, the 7P boosts 12 hours of battery life, and even lets you carry your phone on the go. But for long day shootings, so is the DJI Osmo 7P worth it? If you are content creator, vlogger, or just a low capturing smooth professional looking videos with top tier stabilization, smart AI tracking, and creative shooting mode, this gimbal is a game changer. What do you think? Would you upgrade to the Osmo Mobile 7P? Drop a comments below. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, and if you want more gadget reviews and updates, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more on this gadget videos.